Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I would be sharing to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Of course, if there are prices, release dates, and product codes, I would be putting it here. So please make sure you take a screenshot and check with your CAs. I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm very happy to share a new batch of upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. We will focus on the Constellation collection plus new bag releases. Features, SKUs, prices, launch dates will be included. Please take a screenshot and kindly check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. Take it to info.lv, lvxval, gem.lv, Maddie74, FoxyLV for sharing these. Happy shopping guys! Alright, let us start first with the Constellation collection. So this is launching either September 29th or October 13th, 2023. First, we have the IV wallet on chain. Price is $2,270 USD. It features, this is an upfront leather with metal studs that spells LV and LV flower, leather strap, gold chain strap, and this is a small wallet on chain. Next, we have the Clea Mahina wallet, Constellation. We have SKU here. Kindly stand by for the price. So this is upfront leather. So guys, for the Mahina wallet collection, this will not have a metal studs, but this would have painted dot detail. So this feature gold hardware with cowhide leather lining. And then we have the Mahina wallet Constellation. Price is $1,550 USD. We have SKU here. So just like the previous one, this would not have the stud. So it has cowhide leather lining, 3 large gusseted compartments, 12 card slots, bill and coin pockets. Then we have a zippy wallet. Price is $1,330 USD. We have SKU here. So the Mahina monogram is covered in gold lamination, no studs. It features gold hardware with cowhide lining, 3 large gusseted compartments, and it has card slots and bill and coin pockets. Then we have the very beautiful Speedy 25 bandolier. Price is $3,100 USD. We have SKU here. So this is an all upfront leather with metal studs that spells out LV and LV flowers. It has gold hardware, 2 top handles. It has leather adjustable crossbody strap and extended opening. Then we have the Neo Noe BB. Price is $3,050 USD. We have SKU here. Still features beautiful upfront leather with metal stud that spells LV and LV flowers. I love the gold hardware, and the top handle is fully detachable, and the crossbody strap is fully adjustable. It has drawstring closure and it has 1 zip compartment. Then we have the on-the-go PM. Price is $3,800 USD. It features entirety is made of upfront leather, and it has metal studs that spells out LV and LV flowers. It features gold hardware, 2 top handles, and it comes with detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. Next, we have the very beautiful bagatelle. I love this style, guys. So price is $2,950 USD. Kindly stand by for the SKU. It features the very beautiful upfront leather with metal studs, and it has gold hardware, zip closure, and it has a removable and adjustable strap, and it also has a top handle that is fully detachable. Then guys, this is very new, the Nano Speedy in the Constellation collection. Price is 2,380 USD. So what's different with this one from the Nano Speedy right now, we are noticing that the crossbody strap that it comes with, it is a leather thick guitar strap with the flower stud detail. Here are the other pieces from the Constellation collection. So we have the Bella Mahina, we have the Blossom Mahina PM, we have the Nano Bella Mahina, Zippy Wallet, On The Go PM, Neo No Way BB, we have the Bagatelle, we have the Speedy 25, we have the Victorine, we have Nano Speedy, Ivy Walk, and Zippy Wallet. Next, let us check out what's new with LV. So first, we have the Capucines in the SHEARLING collection, launched October 13th. Price is 7,450 USD. Wow! So it features grained leather, single top handle in SHEARLING, detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it also has a short SHEARLING strap. Then we have a gold teacup and saucer from the homeware section. Price is 1,250. We have SKU here. It features porcelain teacup and saucer, gold color accents, and flower shaped handles. So what do you think of this set? Guys, I'm not really familiar with the sizes for luxury pieces like this. Is this expensive or just right? Then we have the gold teapot. Kindly stay tuned for the price, but we do have SKU here. It is a porcelain teapot with gold color accents. What I love about this is the flower shape handle. Again, I'm guessing this is upward the 1,000 USD price range because the teapot is really expensive in my opinion. Next, we have the flower mirror tray, still at homeware. Price, OMG, definitely this is expensive, 2,590 USD. We have SKU here. So the materials are monogram coated canvas, we have leather, we have glass, and of course we have the monogram flower. So this is now available, and again, very expensive in my opinion. Next, we have new bags. We have Escape Messenger. Launch date September 28th. Price is 3,100 USD. The material is made of Amprant leather. This is a crossbody bag. It features matte black S-lock. It has also a guitar canvas strap, and it has black zipper pocket at the back. Then we have a new permanent collection. We have the side trunk PM, but guys, this is going to be released January 1st, 2024. It would also be launching in the Pico size in the future really soon. So this is just a smaller version of the side trunk. So it features monogram canvas, and it has vachetta leather trims with detachable straps. And we have the Dauphine Mini launching September 29, 2023. Price is 3,950 USD. We have SKU here. How gorgeous is the color and the material of this Dauphine? So it features epi leather with smooth leather trims. It has gusseted compartment, leather adjustable strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, please leave me a heart emoji. I would really super appreciate that one. Thank you! Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at RamiraFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!